Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education as we have finished with our half-yearly exams. So from now we are going to start with term 2, and in term 2 the first chapter that is we are going to do, that is chapter number 9, that is ratio and proportion. In ratio and proportion, the first topic which we are going to do, that is ratio, and then we will move to proportion. It is also a very easy chapter, nothing hard is being there. Just what we had done in fraction, the cancellation part, the same part we have to do it here. But first let us understand that what is ratio. Now ratios are written there when we compare two quantities. It can be two quantities, it can be two numbers, anything. जब हम दो कोई भी चीज को कंपेयर करते हैं using division, then we are finding what? Then we are finding out ratio. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब हम दो कोई भी चीज को कंपेयर करते हैं, then the ratio is being formed. The ratio of two quantities should be of same kind. जिसको भी हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, whatever we are comparing the two things, that should be of same kind. फिर ऐसा नहीं एक का मार्क्स लिया दूसरे का हाइट लिया, no. Marks then marks, height then height, weight then both should be weight. It should be of same kind, otherwise we cannot find out the ratio. That's why the ratio of two quantities should be of same kind. That is the most important thing. Then it is written as A, then two dots is being there and B is being written. Means कोई भी नंबर की जगह पे अभी मैंने A और B दिया है, so उसको हम रीड कैसे करेंगे? These two dots will be read as is to. It will be read as A is to B, and or it can be read as A to B. But mostly we used to read it as A is to B. These two dots will be called as A is to B. Is to B. So as we had gone through the definition that whatever we are comparing, that should be of same quantities, means of same kind. So let us take one example. If we are comparing now, all of you have gone through the exam. So if you are comparing with marks, so if one student had got out of 40, your exam was being there. Let us suppose one had gone 35 marks, another had got, let us say 20 marks. So now here in both the matter what is common? Marks is common. So ratio में खास ध्यान रखना है कि जिसको भी हम compare करते हैं, that should be of same quantity. See marks, so marks. Weight, then weight. Height, so height. Whatever we are taking, it should be of same quantities. So here as we are taking marks, so what we will write? That 35 is to 20. This is how we will write it. Now 35 is to 20 will be written as 35 upon 20, because as two quantities using division. Normally अभी आपको ऐसा लगेगा, now it has formed in the form of fraction only. So now we can cancel it, like 5 sevens are and 5 fours are. So the ratio comes, that is 7 is to 4. दोनों के जो मार्क्स थे हमने कंपेयर किए 35 and 20, so we got the answer as 7 is to 4. मतलब इसको जब 7 मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे इसको कितने मिल रहे हैं? 4 marks. This is how we can compare. Let us take one another example. If 100 kg is to be compared with 40 kg, so what it will become finally? 100 upon 40 and 0 get cancelled. Both are divisible by 2. So 2 5s are and 2 2s are. So the ratio that we get, that is 5 is to 2. Okay. So this is how we have to find out the ratio. We have to compare two things. When you will go to the higher classes, it will be more than 2 also. Okay, when you will go to 7th standard, it will be more than 2. But now here in this class, we will just study about comparing two things. So जब हम compare करते हैं कोई भी दो चीज को, it should be of same quantities, and when we compare them, then the ratio is being formed. That is what we are going to study. So here also, A is to B, it can be written as what? A upon B. Okay, if you want A is to B. B is equal to A upon B, which we are comparing two things. That is what the concept ratio is being there in your chapter. It's very simple, कुछ भी hard नहीं है, just we have to compare two things and whatever the answer is being given, it will be written in the form of again these two. So this definition and example you can write in your, you have to write down in your fair notebook. Now, as we had understood about ratio, so we will move to the exercise directly. So in exercise first one, the first question is being given in the form of a fill in the blank. It is given the ratio of 5 and 10. The first question, first one, the ratio of 5 and 10 is dash. So ratio of 5 and 10, it will be written as what? 5:10, that is equal to 5 upon 10. So it can be cancelled. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. So the ratio that we get, that is 1:2. Very simple, कुछ hard नहीं है. Same way, second one is being given the ratio of 21 and ratio of 21 and 28 is dash. The ratio of 21 and 28 is dash. So what it will be written? It will be written as 21 is to 28. That will be equal to 21 upon 28. Both are coming in the table of 7. So 7 3s are and 7 4s are. So the ratio that we get, that is 3:4. Now third one, the ratio of 100 meter and 1 kilometer is dash. Okay, so it is given the ratio of 100 meter and 1 kilometer. Now here you can see one is given in meter and one is given in kilometer. But in the beginning what we had studied, that both should be in same quantities. So what we will do, it will be 100 meter is to 1 kilometer. So now one is meter, one is kilometer. So we'll change kilometer to meter. So as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So kilometer को हमने मीटर में convert कर दिया. Now the ratio will be what? 100 meter is to 1000 meter. अभी दोनों मीटर हो गए. That is the thing. जब दोनों same unit में नहीं होगा, we have to convert it. But मीटर था और दूसरी बात किलोमीटर था, so we can change kilometer to meter, or if we want we can change meter to kilometer. But दिया वैसे ही होगा कि आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि 100 मीटर एंड 140 किलोग्राम. That will be never given. It will be given जहाँ पे आप उसको convert कर सकते हो. So now here it will be what? 100 upon 1000. So 2 zeros will get cancelled. So what will be the ratio? That ratio will be 1:10. So this is the third one. Now fourth one is very simple, which you have to do it by yourself. That is the ratio of 7 and 6 is dash. So 7 and 6, it will be 7:6 only because 7 is a prime number. 6 and 7 we cannot cancel, so it will remain as it is. So that you have to do it by yourself. Now let us move to question number 2. Now in question number 2, it is being given, two students are being given and their marks are being given, which we have to convert into ratio form. So it is given that Neha got 850 marks out of 1000. मतलब नेहा को कितने मिले? 850 मार्क्स मिले. कितने में से? टोटल 1000 मार्क्स में से. एंड शिवानी को 375 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 500. तो शिवानी को टोटल 500 में से 375 मार्क्स मिले हैं. सो एक्सप्रेस देयर मार्क्स इन रेशियो. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट पर्सन व्हिच इज बीन गिवन, दैट इज नेहा. सो marks got by Neha is 850 out of 1000. So अब उसका रेशियो करना है. So ratio will be what? 850 is to 1000. So therefore it will be 850 upon 1000. 0 gets cancelled. Both are divisible by 5. 5 20s are 5 2s are 10 and 1 0 will be added. Now it will be 5 1s are 5 and 35 means 5 7s are. So the ratio comes that is 17:20. That is the ratio for the marks of Neha. Now the second person is being given, that is Shivani. So marks got by Shivani is how much? Is 375 out of 500. So what can be done? Will be written as 375 is to 500, which will be equal to 375 upon 500. Now both can be cancelled by 5. So 5 7s are is 35, 2 and 5 25. Again 5 5s are is 25. It will be 500s are, both are cancelled by 25. So 25 these are and 25 4s are. So our answer comes that is 3:4 will be the ratio for Shivani, and for Neha it is 17:20. So this is how we have to do the sum. Now let us move to question number 3. In question number 3, male and female teachers are being given. So based on that we have to find out the ratio. So it is given that out of 32 teachers in a school, 12 are male and the remaining are females. Find the ratio of the number. First is male to female, second is male to total number of teacher, and third is total number of teacher to female. The first one is being given, that is total teachers. Total teachers is given as 32. Then it is given as male teachers. So number of male teachers is given as 12. Now, so from that we can find out what number of female teachers. So female teachers कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? We have to subtract 32 and 12. So it will be 32 minus 12, which comes to 20. Now the first one which is being given. तो जब आप क्वेश्चन लिखोगे तो क्या लिखोगे? जस्ट खाली फर्स्ट पार्ट नंबर ऑफ तक. उसके बाद जो फर्स्ट वन है that you will write it separately. उसका क्वेश्चन लिखो, फिर उसका सॉल्यूशन, then second and then its solution we have to write. The first is what? Male to female. So male we are knowing how much it is? 12 and female is what? 20. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान क्या रखना है कि पहले मेल टू फीमेल बोला है. So first we have to write of male is to female, and then it will be equal to 12 upon 20. So here we can cancel, that is 4 3s are and 4 5s are. So the ratio we get, that is 3:5. इसका रेशियो मिला मेल टू फीमेल. मतलब जब मेल 3 टीचर्स है तो उसके सामने फीमेल टीचर्स कितने हैं? 5. That is what we are comparing. Same way the second part, the second question of the third question is It is given male to the total number of teachers. Male to the total number of teachers. Now male we are having how much? 12. So we will write 12 and total number of teachers we are having, that is 32. So equals to 12 upon 32. Again both are divisible by 4. So 4 3s are and 4 8s are. So the answer comes, that is 3:8. Now the last one, that is total number of teachers. Total number of teachers to female. Okay, total number of teachers to female. So total number of teachers we are having, that is 32 is to female is how much? 20. So the ratio that will be formed, that will be 32 upon 20. Both are divisible by 4. So 4 8s are and 4 5s are. So the ratio that is formed, that is 8:5. So this is how we have to calculate what is being given in the question, that we have to see first. उसपे से क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, that also you have to find out first only. तो फिर बाद में क्या होगा, जस्ट उसकी वैल्यू पुट अप करनी पड़ेगी and then we can find out the ratio of what is being asked in the question. So that was your third question. Now fourth question, let us see what is being given, that Jaya is 1.30 meter tall and Shashi is 1 meter 25 centimeter tall. What is the ratio of their height? So उसकी height का ratio क्या है, that we have to find out. In that what it is being given, that one is given in decimal and one is given in meter and centimeter. Just to confuse you, बाकी it is the same what we had gone through till now. So if we see question number 4, it is being given the height of Jaya is 1.30 meter. So height of Jaya is 1.30 meter. Now 1.30 meter means 1 meter and 30 centimeter होता है, which can be written in meter as 1.30 meter. So we'll convert it into centimeter. तो वो हो जाएगा कितना, 130 centimeter. Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 1 meter 100 हो जाएगा, उसमें plus 30 कर दो, it will become 130 centimeter. Same way the height of Shashi is being given. Height of Shashi is 1 meter and 25 centimeter. So again we convert them into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 and 100 plus 25 will be 125 centimeter. अब देखो दोनों हो गए, both of them are in now centimeter. So we have to find the ratio of their height. So therefore ratio of their height is equal to what? 130 is to 125, which is equal to what? 130 upon 125. Now both are divisible by 5. So 5 2s is 10, 3 and 0 30, 5 6 is 35, 25 is 125. So our answer comes, that is 26:25. So this is the ratio of their height. Now question number 5, you have to do it by yourself. उसमें क्या करना है, is the ratio 15:30 equal to 450:900. पहले क्या करना है, दोनों का रेशियो फाइंड आउट करो. 50:30 का क्या आता है एंड 450 to 900 का क्या रेशियो आता है. फिर देखो दोनों साइड सेम आंसर आ रहा है या नहीं. If you are getting same answers on both the side, then you have to write down that yes, both the ratios are equal. बस उतना ही करना है. सेम चीज जो हम करते हैं कैंसिलेशन, दैट ओनली 50:30 उसका रेशियो फाइंड आउट करो एंड 450:900 यू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो और दोनों को कंपेयर करो दैट बोथ द साइड यू आर गेटिंग द सेम रेशियो और नॉट. If you are getting it, then they are equal. If you are not getting, then they are not equal. Just that much only part you have to do it by yourself. So in this video, student, this much only. In the next video, we will continue with the exercise. So till then, thank you and